Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the OPPO K12 Plus, a smartphone that exemplifies Oppo's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. Launched on October 12, 2024, this device seamlessly blends performance, aesthetics, and cutting-edge technology to cater to the diverse needs of modern users. Display and design. The OPPO K12 Plus boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED flexible Full HD Plus touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and an immersive viewing experience. The screen offers a peak brightness of 1100 nits and supports wet touch control, enhancing usability in various conditions. The device's sleek dimensions of 162.50 by 75.30 by 8.37 mm and a weight of 192 grams make it comfortable to hold and use. Available in basalt black and snow peaks white, it also features an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, adding durability to its elegant design. Performance and battery life. Under the hood, the OPPO K12 Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, paired with LPDDR4X RAM 8GB and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage, expandable by up to 1TB via a microSD card, providing ample space for apps, media, and files, delivering robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The substantial 6,400 mAh non-removable battery ensures extended usage, and with 80W fast charging support, the device quickly recharges, minimizing downtime. According to Oppo, the battery can be charged up to 50% in just 20 minutes using the 80W power adapter. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual rear camera setup, comprising a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 aperture and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f/2.2 aperture. This combination allows for capturing detailed and expansive shots. For selfies, the 16-megapixel front camera with an f/2.4 aperture ensures crisp and clear images. Record up to 4K videos. Software and connectivity. Running on ColorOS 14, based on Android 14, the OPPO K12 Plus offers a user-friendly interface with a host of customization options. The device includes 256GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card up to 1TB, providing ample space for all your data. Connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.4, NFC, infrared, USB Type-C, and support for 3G, 4G, and 5G networks, ensuring you're always connected. Security and additional features. Security is enhanced with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and the device is equipped with a range of sensors, including an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass/magnetometer, gyroscope, and proximity sensor, enriching the overall user experience. In conclusion, the OPPO K12 Plus is a testament to Oppo's dedication to delivering high-quality smartphones that combine style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or someone seeking a reliable device for daily use, the OPPO K12 Plus is designed to meet and exceed your expectations. Pricing and availability. In China, the OPPO K12 Plus is available in 3 configurations: 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, priced at 1,899 Chinese yuan, approximately $270. 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan, approximately $300. 12GB RAM with 512GB storage, priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan, approximately $355 overall. The OPPO K12 Plus offers a compelling package of high-end features and performance at a competitive price point. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.